Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're comparing Luma AI and another AI, and that is Neuroflash. You see, Neuroflash is quite different from Luma AI because it is a comprehensive content suite that combines high-end text generation with AI image creation. So let's get right into it. When it comes to their primary outcome, Luma AI gives you cinematic videos like text to video, image to video, and 3D assets, while Neuroflash Content and Image Suite gives you text and image, that is marketing copy, blog posts, and high quality AI images. When it comes to visual capability, Luma AI gives you high fidelity video and motion for 5 to 20 seconds clips with realistic physics, while Neuroflash gives you static image generation via models like Flux and Stable Diffusion. When we look at your text capability, Luma AI has none. It only uses text as a prompt for video, while Neuroflash has advanced text capability with 100 plus templates, SEO analysis, and brand voice consistency. When we look at your unique feature, that of Luma is motion brush. It gives you specific control over what parts of an image move, while that of Neuroflash is performance flash that predicts how well your text or image will perform with audiences. When we look at your 3D tools, Luma AI has Genie and 3D Capture that turns photos into 3D objects and meshes, while Neuroflash has none. When we look at your creative control, Luma helps you to focus on camera angles, lighting, and cinematic movement, while Neuroflash focuses on brand tune, SEO rankings, and psychological impact. When we look at their pricing, Luma has about approximately $9.99 a month. That's what you pay using the leads plan for video generation, while that of Neuroflash is cost about £25 per month, which is standard for unlimited text and gives you about 100 images a day. Now let's look at your target audience. When we look at your target audience, Luma AI's target audience is video editors, VFX artists, and 3D designers, while that of Neuroflash is content marketers, copywriters, and social media managers. So that's the difference. Don't forget that when it comes to privacy, geographical privacy, Neuroflash is a European leader, meaning it is GDPR compliant and hosts data on German servers, which is a major factor for corporate users. Hope you found this video helpful.